the tablet market has found a boom with the increase of online classes and virtual meetings during the pandemic situation. Alcatel is steadily and continuously cashing in and launching some of the best budget and unsaturated tablets in the market. Previously, you would have seen the review of the Alcatel 3T10 on my channel, and today I have here the Alcatel 3T10. So let's start the video. As usual, before starting, if you are new here, then consider subscribing to the channel as well as our Telegram channel. Links are in the description below. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The Alcatel 310 has a minimum but attractive design. Using high-quality plastic polycarbonate, this product is less resistant to scratches. The device is made simpler and more comfortable by the slightly matte texture at the back. The rear camera is mounted in the upper right corner without a dedicated flash. Starting from the top, we find the 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port and the SIM slot. This is a 4G equipped device, and through the slot we can expand the memory up to 128 gigs. Moving to the right, we find the power buttons, volume rockers and mic. Turning to the left, we can find the speaker grills. The Alcatel 3T10 has a relatively wide 10.1-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. The pixel density on this panel is significantly higher compared to the competitors, providing a more crisp and detailed performance. To note one thing, there is no DRM certification, which we normally won't see in this range, so you can stream videos in SD resolutions only. The eye care mode on this device automatically changes the brightness and contrast level of the screen. It also filters blue light to minimize eye strain when used in low light conditions. The MediaTek MT 8765B that powers this tablet is a 1.28 GHz quad-core SoC. This processor can perform everyday tasks without breaking a sweat. Thanks to 2 GB of RAM and the 16 GB of onboard storage, light multitasking is possible without the apps running out of memory during the use. But heavy gamings are not recommended. The OS enhancement on top of this processor make the system run faster than even before and deliver enhanced app features as well. As I mentioned, the device has the 4G capability. The call quality was great as well, and you were able to listen through the speakers, as well as you can connect your headphones and have the enjoyable chats with your loved ones. The Alcatel 3T10 has a 5 megapixel camera on the front and back. The one on the front delivers a decent quality video conferencing, but the images are plagued by noise even in a good light. Here are some of the samples for your reference. Also, a rear camera can be helpful while digitalizing documents and other kinds of stuff. And interestingly, the rear camera can record Full HD videos at 30 frames per second. The Alcatel 3T10 is powered by the 5500 mAh battery. But again, with a lack of fast charging technology, it takes around 4 hours to fully charge. Speaking about the battery life, the optimization in the Android 10 and HD Plus screen helps this tablet achieve an impressive screen on time. With my test, the battery was lasting a day's charge. This is one of the important features of tablets. The Alcatel 3T10 is equipped with a single speaker system and it produces decent sound levels. The sound is louder, yet the quality is average. Also, to enhance experience, there is a headphone jack through which audio consoles can be connected as well. There is no facial unlocks or fingerprint sensor, so you have to settle with the pattern or pin lock only. The device is already packed with Android 10 and you can make the dark mode to prevent strain on your eyes. If you have kids, then they will definitely enjoy the kids mode, which has some mini games and videos. The device also has a parental control by which you can set the age and gender of the users and the time frame that they can use the device. In this way, parents will therefore not have to fear that children will access objectionable contents. The ambient or display mode of this tablet is another feature that you may like. You can view images, a schedule of calendars and some news bits while you are not using them. Adding a keyboard is another good thing here. The provided Bluetooth keyboard is sleek. It has a USB port on the side to charge it. There are two buttons on the top, which are the power button and the Bluetooth connectivity button. Pairing is simple and it's indicated with the light beside the buttons. Though it's not a regular size keyboard, you might be having difficulty while typing, but it's very handy. The Alcatel 310 is perfect option for those who want a budget Android tablet with call capabilities and for some basic stuffs like attending online classes and virtual meetings. For the price, it almost fills all the boxes, but if you have a better budget, there are some good options available on the market. As I mentioned, with child mode and parent control, this tab has some safety features to consider if your basic needs are only online learning for your children. With that, we have come to the end of this video. Do put down your thoughts in the comment section and do like and share and subscribe. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, this is Manish signing off.